And we have news coming in from the Supreme Court. This is related to the Karthigai Deepam Rao. The Supreme Court has upheld Madras High Court's verdict in this matter. The Supreme Court has said that the High Court gave a balance order and thus they will not be interfering in this matter. Now, Supreme Court has dismissed the Muslim side's plea in this entire matter. The Muslim side had pled in the Supreme Court against the Madras High Court order, and the plea was against restricting Namaz only to Ramzan. Remember, in this entire matter, the Karthigai Deepam, whether it should be lit at the Deepathun or not, that had become a huge controversy. Joining us right now is India Today's Anisha Mathur. Anisha, what has the court said? Okay, we'll try and connect with Anisha soon, but the plea that was moved in the Supreme Court by the Muslim side was that the Madras High Court Madurai bench order should be put on stay. They had said that the order says that Muslims are restricted from worshipping there, and they should allow namaz other than Bakrid and Ramzan also. Remember, that is the restriction that was imposed, and they had put a petition against that in the Supreme Court, basically challenging the High Court order. Advocate Prashant Bhushan said that they have restricted prayers only to Ramzan and Bakrid. There was no law and order problem. Despite that, this was done, and they were raising questions on it. Joining us is India Today's Anisha Mathur. Anisha, what has the Supreme Court said?
स्टूडियो मुझे बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Anisha, can you hear me? Okay, we'll try and connect with Anisha Mathur as soon as we can. But as we were just telling you, the Supreme Court was listening to the petition filed by the Muslim side, which was questioning as to why the namaz or the offering of the prayers should be restricted only to Bakrid and to the Ramzan season. So this is what they wanted, that the High Court order should be stayed and namaz offering should be allowed. In fact, they had claimed that there was no law and order problem. This was presented in court by their advocate Prashant Bhushan, but the Supreme Court asked, if there was no problem, then why was there a necessity for peace committee meeting? And to that, Prashant Bhushan, I beg your pardon, to that the advocate had said that our grievance is only this, that it restricts the prayer to only Bakrid. This is not what the Muslim side wants, and according to them, there is no law and order issues. Then why should such a restriction be imposed? This entire issue had been gaining ground for a while now, with the clashes erupting between the government, DMK-led government, and the BJP as well on that matter. Joining us now is India Today's Anisha Mathur. Anisha, can you give us the details of what happened during the hearing in Supreme Court? Okay, it seems that we have a little bit of a problem as far as audio is concerned, but the court earlier had upheld a single judge order that was about permitting the lighting of the ceremonial lamp at the Deepathun, which is a stone pillar, and now it seems the Supreme Court has also not stopped that order.